Everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Cook Like a Japanese channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make GOYA CHANPURU, which is stir-fried bitter lemon with pork and tofu. GOYA CHANPURU is originally an Okinawan regional dish, but now it's super popular here in all over Japan. You know, to make it is super easy. The taste is unbelievable. So why don't we try making it? The ingredients for making GOYA CHANPURU is 5. Ingredient number 1 is, of course, bitter lemon. Number 2 is cotton tofu. I mean the farmer tofu, not the softer one. If you can find Shima tofu, which is Okinawan original tofu, is the best to be used, but I think it's hard to find, so cotton tofu is alright. Number 3 is canned spam, but again I guess it's hard to find one outside of Okinawa or outside of Hawaii, so you can replace it with chopped or sliced pork. Today I'm gonna use the chopped one. Number 4 is a beaten egg. Number 5, last one is bonito flakes for garnish. Plus you need dashi powder, little bit of water, a little bit of soy sauce, and salt for seasonings. Right, we got 5 steps to making it. Step 1 is to prepare the GOYA. Cut it in half and remove the seeds and white part with a spoon and slice them into pieces. Then you pour some salt on it, mix a bit, and leave it for about 10 minutes. Step 2 is to prepare the tofu. You know, wrap the tofu with a paper towel and microwave it for 1 minute to remove the excess water. When it gets cool, wrap it with a new paper towel and kinda get demoist it. Then cut the tofu into big bite-sized pieces with your finger. I recommend you to tear it with fingers instead of using a knife to cut it. Step 5 is to stir fry the tofu. Just leave it until its surface gets nice and brown. Remove it from frying pan and set aside for a while. Step 4 is to stir fry the pork. Stir fry it till it's cooked well. And then you put the GOYA in the pan and pour some salt and 5 tablespoons of water on it. Then you put dashi powder and a little bit of soy sauce as well. Step 5 is to put the tofu back into the pan and pour the beaten egg, and when the egg is boiled, plate it on the plate. Put some bonito flakes. And that's it. So why don't we get started? Alright, step 1. Step 1 is to prepare the bitter lemon. Wash it. Cut it in half, like this. Yeah, it looks like a Godzilla. Then, using a spoon, remove the seeds and white part, like this. You can see that? Right. Then you remove the portions and chop it in pieces. Chop. Then put some salt on it. Put them in a bowl like this. Put some more salt. You don't care about it. You put too salty because you're gonna rinse it after 10 minutes. Alright, leave it for 10 minutes. Why don't we go on to step 2? Step 2 is to prepare the tofu. Wrap it is in a piece of paper towel. Paper towel is here. And microwave it a minute. Well, now the tofu is microwaved. So prepare another piece of paper towel. Put it on that. Wrap it again. Remove the excess water. Yeah, it's pretty nice, I guess. Yeah, tear it with your fingers into big bite-sized piece like this. And now it's time to stir-fry tofu. Concentrate the boil. Yeah, it's time to put the tofu in. Wow, sounds nice. Let it fry when it gets nice and brown on the surface. Yeah, nice and brown. Yeah, when the surface of it gets nice and brown like this, remove it from the frying pan. I'm going to step 4. Step 4 is to stir fry the pork. I rinse the bitter lemon, remove the excess water from it. I'm removing excess water with paper towel. Okay, that's alright. Why don't we go back to stir fry till it's getting nice and brown. It's cooked well. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Right, it's time to put the bitter lemon. Right. Can you pour some salt on it? A little bit helps the bitter lemon remain green. Dashi powder. Get the dashi powder. Then you pour in 5 tablespoons of water. Right. And a little bit of salt. Just a little bit. Alright, let's look at its full flavor. Put the tofu back in the pan. And let it stir fry. Then pour the beaten egg. Try not to break the tofu. Yeah, it looks awesome. Why don't we plate it? Yeah, it's time to plate. Yeah, it looks awesome. Looks great. Lastly, please put the bonito flakes for garnish. More bonito flakes. Yeah, great. Yeah, now the GOYA CHANPURU stir-fried bitter lemon with pork and tofu is ready. Alright, Now you know to making GOYA CHANPURU is not that difficult. So why don't you try it at your home? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be happy when I see you. Leave comment down below and leave thumbs up button and subscribe. So take good care. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Arigato.